In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on an Amazon Kindle 3. Okay. Now on the back, behind the buttons right here, you need to use a pry tool and lift this part off to access the battery. Okay, now I have a few pry tools here. Sometimes these come with the battery as a kit, or you could just get them separately. So I'm going to use this one right here. These tools are made of a plastic type material, so you won't have scratches. Right behind the button right here, there's a seam, so I'm going to stick the pry tool right inside and lift. Like so. Now you see it's inside. The pry tool is inside the seam, so I just want to move it like so, up and down. Twist gently, keep going down, keep pushing it down, twist, twist, twist. Okay. Now here's the battery. Now you have two Phillips head screws that need to be removed. So I'm going to be using a precision head Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Now you could just lift the battery out. And now I'm going to install the new battery. So just make sure they go into the grooves on the bottom. Just rest it in. Okay, now I'm going to replace the screws. Okay, now I'm going to put the cover back on. Just rest it inside like so on the top. And then push your thumbs around and press down alongside the edges. And make sure everything is snapped back into place. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is just plug it in, let it charge, and it should be ready to go. So there you go. That is how to replace the battery on an Amazon Kindle 3. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.